Ugh, for the last time, Sam, I'm not going to shoot this.
But why? It'll be cool. We can buy snakes like these, only real ones.
Then we should rename our channel to Sam and his exotic friends.
Hello, guys. We're thinking about new videos for our channel. Sue wants to do all kinds of experiments. And I want to shoot dangerous, rare, and exotic creatures!
Guys, help us decide. Write in the comments which videos would be more interesting for you.
Why don't we combine our ideas and do experiments with exotic insects and snakes?
No, experiments like that can be very dangerous for both the animals and us.
Have you noticed, too, that recently Sue has become too serious?
Listen, let's resolve our dispute with the help of a car race. The one whose car arrives first will decide the fate of the channel.
Very funny. You know perfectly well that I don't have a driver's license.
I suggest doing the race on a table track.
Well, it's cool that we have these cars, but where will we get a track?
I've got it all planned. Come with me.
Don't worry. I'll win this race and we'll conquer the channel.
Here, our track will look pretty much like this.
Let me guess the materials we need.
Yes, you're absolutely right. We'll need lots of cardboard and a glue gun. Okay, let's start with 2 pieces of cardboard of this kind.
Hey, why is it so soft? It doesn't hold the shape at all.
Our track will have turns and different levels, so this will help us make smooth passages.
I'll cope with any turn.
There, we've got the borders. They'll prevent our cars from flying off the track. Now we need a cardboard piece of this shape.
I'd say it's rather shapeless.
Let's make marks here.
And glue the borders outside those marks. Glue it really well. I don't want any confusion during the race.
Okay, Mr. Careful.
There, I glued the borders here already.
Sam, could you please bring me a small piece of cardboard?
Ugh, nothing works without Sam.
Right, let's start making the legs. First, I'm applying glue here. And now, roll it, forming a tube. We need 3 tubes of this kind. We'll place them right here. Perfect!
Let's check its stability.
Sam, it's made of cardboard! Be careful!
Wow, our track will have such sharp turns.
By the way, Sam, do you know traffic laws?
Sue, there's nothing to know. Everything is clear.
Well, how will you participate in the race then?
All right, I'm going to read your traffic laws.
While Sam is reading the laws, we'll start assembling our track. Here we've got 2 big pieces ready. And now I need more cardboard. Don't go anywhere.
Traffic laws? Traffic laws? We'll need them anyway if the track is made out of cardboard.
Right, let's continue building the track. It's very easy. Just follow the draft.
Sue, I've learned all the road signs. I'm ready for the race.
Yeah? How can we check that?
Here, look! This sign forbids to eat sweets while driving.
What a funny sign! When did you invent it?
I have a good imagination. Plus, we don't need real signs for a cardboard track.
You're right. I like your road signs.
Thank you. I tried my best for you.
Meanwhile, we've already constructed half a track. Look, it's so cool!
What if we make obstacles with my toy insects on the track?
Ugh, you're still trying to add a bit of exotic creatures to our video. Let's decide the fate of the channel after the race.
But I'll win anyway. Why waste time?
Oh, I didn't expect our track to be so big.
Okay, don't worry, let me help ya. Smear the glue.
No, we can't just smear it. We should do everything carefully.
Guys, did you write in the comments the topics for the videos you like the most? Maybe you'd like to see more cardboard crafts.
Sam, I totally forgot to ask you.
not to overtake you at the first turn?
No, we need arrows for the track. Can you help?
I am awaiting your clear instructions, color, size, quantity.
I totally rely on you because you're a professional.
No worries. We'll be done at its finest.
Wow, the track is coming out so complicated but so cool. Guys, do you like my idea with this race? Give a thumbs up if you do. And write in the comments, how do you resolve arguments with your friends?
Right! I have everything ready.
Great, our track is ready too. Let's place the arrows right away.
The most beautiful arrow should be here.
Sam, they're all the same.
Maybe just for you, but for me, every one of them is special. I spent a whole hour making them.
Okay, I feel ya.
I also made this sign.
Cool. I also prepared one.
That's strange. Why magic?
You'll see later.
All right, let's use yours.
Perfect. Now our track is 100% ready.
Come on! I'm ready for the coolest race in the history of the channel!
Great. So let's start our cars.
So cool! Guys, don't you think that the cars are moving in a strange way? So what's the matter?
I told you it's a magic track. There's no winners and no losers. Watch carefully.
So, friendship wins?
Right, Sammy?
Guys, it seems there's no winners and losers today. But I'm glad. Sue, I think your idea with experiments is very cool. Let's stick with it. And we can use exotic insects and snakes later in the future. Look, they're helping each other.
Sam, let's still film animals, at least sometimes.
I even know which one!
Sam, you're one of a kind.
Guys, did you like our magic track? Give a thumbs up if you did. And leave comments with ideas for new videos. Bye-bye.